In this video, I will help you find the best clip-on headphones in 2024. Links to all the products we mention in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. At number 5, we have COS BT221i wireless Bluetooth ear clips, best for walking. When stepping out for a stroll, the COS BT221i wireless Bluetooth ear clips are the perfect companion for enjoying your favorite tunes on the move. These ear clips are like having a personal DJ right by your side, pumping out your favorite beats as you walk. Not only are they affordable, but they're also sweat-resistant and lightweight, making them ideal for outdoor activities. The decent sound quality ensures that your music sounds crisp and clear, enhancing your walking experience. I love how these ear clips free me from the hassle of tangled cords and uncomfortable earbuds. With the Bluetooth feature, I can easily connect them to my device and hit play without any fuss. The secure fit ensures that they stay in place, even during brisk walks or runs. Plus, the convenience of hands-free music control adds an extra layer of enjoyment to my walks. So, if you're looking for reliable, budget-friendly headphones to enhance your walking routine, the COS BT221i wireless Bluetooth ear clips are a top choice. At number 4, we have Leakingchun clip-on headphones, best for sleeping. Indulging in a night of peaceful slumber with the Leakingchun clip-on headphones brings a new level of comfort to bedtime routines. These headphones are a game-changer for anyone looking to drift off to dreamland with ease. The soft padding ensures they stay snugly in place without causing any discomfort, even for side sleepers like me. The sound quality is surprisingly crisp and clear, immersing me in a world of relaxation as I unwind after a long day. What I love most is the built-in high-fidelity microphone, which allows me to take calls or listen to soothing music without any hassle. The lightweight design makes them barely noticeable, and the affordable price tag is an added bonus. Whether I'm listening to calming melodies or white noise to drown out external disturbances, these clip-on headphones have become an essential part of my bedtime routine. Say goodbye to sleepless nights and hello to a world of peaceful sleep with the Leakingchun clip-on headphones. At number 3, we have Audio-Technica 8H EQ300M, best for running. Curious about which clip-on headphones are best for running? Let me introduce you to the Audio-Technica 8H EQ300M BK. These headphones are my top choice for pounding the pavement or hitting the trails. With excellent sound quality, you can stay motivated with your favorite tunes pushing you forward. The minimal and stylish design adds a touch of flair to your workout gear, and the lightweight build ensures you won't feel weighed down during your runs. One of the best features of the Audio-Technica 8H EQ300M BK is its affordability without compromising on performance. You get a lot of bang for your buck with these headphones. They're comfortable to wear for extended periods, making them ideal for long runs or intense workout sessions. Whether you're a seasoned runner or just starting out, these headphones are a great companion for your runs. Say goodbye to tangled cords and uncomfortable earbuds. The Audio-Technica 8H EQ300M BK is here to enhance your running experience. At number 2, we have Philips SH3200BK/37, best for outdoor use. For outdoor enthusiasts seeking reliable sound quality and comfort, the Philips SH3200BK/37 clip-on headphones are a top choice. These headphones not only deliver excellent sound, but also feature an ergonomic earhook design that ensures they stay securely in place during your outdoor adventures. The value for money is undeniable, especially considering the added bass pipe that enhances clarity in low tones, perfect for enjoying your favorite tunes while surrounded by nature. I've personally found the Philips SH3200BK/37 to be a game-changer for my outdoor activities. Whether I'm hiking through rugged terrain or simply taking a leisurely stroll in the park, these headphones provide a comfortable fit that doesn't sacrifice on sound quality. The bass pipe feature really brings depth to the music, making my outdoor listening experience more immersive and enjoyable. Plus, the secure earhook design gives me peace of mind that they won't fall off no matter how active I get. Trust me, these headphones are a must-have for anyone who loves spending time outside. At number 1, we have COS KSC75 headphones, best for sports. When it comes to staying active and enjoying music on the move, the COS KSC75 headphones are the go-to choice for sports enthusiasts seeking top-notch sound quality and a secure fit. These headphones pack a punch with excellent sound quality, especially in the treble range, making your workout playlist sound better than ever. The lightweight and comfortable design ensures they stay put during intense activities, so you can focus on breaking a sweat without readjusting your headphones every few minutes. The sporty and stylish look adds a touch of flair to your athletic gear, making you stand out on the track or in the gym. Whether you're hitting the pavement for a run or sweating it out in a high-intensity workout class, the KOS KSC75 headphones are designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. With these headphones, you can enjoy your favorite tunes while pushing your limits, thanks to their durable construction and reliable fit. Say goodbye to bulky headphones that get in the way and hello to a seamless audio experience that fuels your workout motivation.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can find the links in the description to all of the products we mentioned in this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.